Hi, my name's Clive Kilford and I'm the new Product Development Manager for Bobcat Mini Excavators. Bobcat have been making compact equipment for 50 years and mini excavators for over 25 and are a global leader in compact equipment. We've always tried to listen to our customers and relied on them to tell us how to make Bobcat the best. And with our new E20, I seriously believe this is what we have achieved. Let me explain to you why I believe this. With the undercarriage in fully expanded position, the entire E20 upper structure is within the tracks, not only the tail, but also the front corner and the boom offset cylinder. This is what we call at Bobcat zero house swing and is a further development of the zero tail swing concept. And on the E20, this is not only true with the canopy, but also with this cabin option.
The ZTS gives me the opportunity to work very closely to walls. It is so nice to work without thinking what is behind.
The stability of the E20 machine is so amazing you wouldn't even realise you have zero tail swing. And with the optional long blade, the front stability is improved even more. The weight distribution means the overside stability is not compromised, so even with the optional clamp, you can still access the full digging power of this machine. With its strong, retractable undercarriage, the E20 can go anywhere, and the blade extensions are easily removable, no tools required, and when retracted, they are stored on the blade.
The combination fantastic stability, digging force and lifting power allows me to do any job. The hydraulics are so smooth, it makes it so easy to do any precise job. Using big attachments to improve my productivity or move heavy stones with a clamp. In summary, I can get more out of the machine.
For operator comfort, you will find easy access into an area that is spacious for feet, legs and arms. For travel control, we have large pedals which are easily flipped out of the way when not needed. All of these controls are conveniently placed and the electronic dashboard will tell you everything you need to know and will even turn the lights off when you leave. For the cabin, we have maximised the visibility with an easy opening front window, no bar when it's up, and we've even moved the boom slightly to the side so you can see directly into the hole. All of this combines to reduce fatigue as you work and make life inside the E20 as easy as possible. With Comfort Package, you get superior seat, auto-shift travel, and auxiliary and offset controls integrated in joysticks.
Access to the cabin is very easy. The door is wide and the console rises up completely. I really feel like sitting in a bigger excavator. The visibility just amazing. And opening the front window, I feel quality and nice finishing.
Traditional thinking is that a zero tail swing machine, the service will be difficult and painful, but this is not the case on the E20. With the large tailgate open, I can come here and put my hand on all the major service items. With the large right-hand cover open, I have direct access to the side-by-side coolers for easy cleaning, the fuse box, the battery for charging and connecting fuel pumps, and the battery disconnect switch. The electronic dashboard not only tells you everything you need to know when you're working, but will store any error codes, and we have easy access for all the diagnostics you might need. Even with the machine closed, you can make the daily check of hydraulic oil level can be viewed on the left-hand side of the machine. On the E20, you will not find just the standard tie-down points on the undercarriage and the dozer blade, but as standard has connections on the front of the upper structure and inside the counterweight. Now, knowing the harsh conditions in which you work, the machine is developed with metal covers, cylinder over boom, oversized cylinders and easy service features such as the split hoses for the front dozer blade. Definitely more than you'd expect for such a compact machine.
Despite being a ZTS, checking the regular service point in the E20 is very easy. Filling the fuel tank is simple, even has an alarm to tell you when it is full. covers are made of steel and all is protected by a strong counterweight. Definitely this machine is made to last.